Did you know that the unexpected duo of berries and avocado can pack a potent punch of health benefits? It's a surprising pairing, but it's one that's well worth exploring. Berries come loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C and K, and fiber. They're renowned for their ability to fight inflammation and support heart health. On the other hand, the humble avocado is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's filled with healthy fats, vitamin E, potassium, and fiber. Avocados have gained fame for their cholesterol-lowering properties. But that's not all. Both these ingredients have something else in common. They're known to support brain health. Yes, that's right. Berries and avocados can help enhance your brain functions and memory. Now, how about a recipe that brings these two together? A berry and avocado smoothie that's not just delicious, but also a nutritional powerhouse. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of fresh or frozen berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, whatever you prefer, 1 cup of plant-based milk or yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup if you fancy a touch of sweetness, and a few ice cubes. First, peel the avocado and remove the pit. Wash the berries if you're using fresh ones, or thaw them if they're frozen. Next, toss the avocado, berries, plant-based milk or yogurt, honey or maple syrup, and ice into a blender. Blend it all together until it's smooth. Pour the smoothie into glasses and serve immediately. This smoothie is an excellent way to kickstart a day brimming with energy and health. It's perfect as a wholesome breakfast or a nutritious snack. Have you tried this unexpected combo of berries and avocado before? Maybe you have your favorite recipes that use these ingredients? Feel free to share them in the comments below. For more healthy cooking inspiration and delicious recipes, be sure to subscribe to this channel, share this post, and join our community of healthy eating enthusiasts. You're sure to discover a wealth of new ideas and flavors.